afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today, my son is going to open a couple of packs of Rebel Clash. Let's dive right in. And what is this? What's that card? Bronzong? Okay. It's a little different. Just gonna go over here. What you got there? Luxio? Alrighty. Sit that on the side. Ooh, that one looks cool. What's that? Dracloak? Neat. What's that? An energy? What do we have here? Spirit Tomb. What's that one? Wait. Palisand. And that's a reverse hollow. That's not too fancy. What's this? Trubbish. And that's what is it? Temple. And that is Applin. What's that? Squavet. I've seen that one before. And Barbooch. Okay. Nothing fancy in this pack. Let's check this next pack. Okay, that's an energy. What's this one? You gotta hold it so I can see it. Hatcham. Okay. Cursed Shovel. Not exciting. Oh, that one looks cool. Phalanx. Yeah, that's nice. Grubbin. Oh. Electabuzz. That one looks decent. Natu. Honage. And Impy Dimp. That's okay. Oh, this one's good. A reverse hollow Zamazenta. Nice. Alright, Mr. Rhyme. Anything else? Is that it? Alright, folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Have a good evening.